achi soup in a minute with the combination of spinach and bitter leaf. So let's do that. Here are my proteins. Now I'm going to add pepper. Add pepper to your taste. Now add ogiri igbo, some crayfish, palm oil, dry catfish, and add water that will be enough for your soup. Cover and allow to cook. Now I'm going to add my achi powder. Add little by little until you achieve the right consistency. I'm going to cover and allow it to cook. Now let's check. Yep, I love the consistency. I'm going to add grinded uziza seed, some bitter leaf, little bit, because I'm going to add my spinach. I'll add grilled mackerel fish. This is the game changer. If you're making achi soup, don't forget your grilled mackerel fish. Goes well with it. I'm going to add 1 seasoning cube. Stir, stir, stir. Cover and allow it to cook for 3 minutes. Now let's check on the soup. Oh wow. Now I'm going to add my spinach. Add my spinach. I blanched it. I'll add more crayfish. Stir, 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 and our soup is looking good. Cover and allow it to cook for 2 minutes and the soup is ready. You guys, test for salt and adjust if needed. Our soup is ready. Our achi soup. The 2 combo of vegetables, the spinach and bitter leaf, you guys, is something you want to try. Bring your